Hello, in front of me I've got NOKIA C21 Plus. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet, tap Add to Wallet button, and now focus on Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's enter Transport Pass and select your transit. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example, IKEA Poland. You can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Add to Wallet and it's done. In the end, let's select Gift Card, which is pretty similar to loyalty card, because you have to select a shop, enter card number, PIN, balance your notes and tap Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.